Hi, love. Welcome to Echoes from My Closet. This is where I share real, unedited moments from my life, the ones that reveal the shadows we're exploring this week. Nothing here is polished. It's just me in my closet, meeting my own echoes, and inviting you to meet yours with compassion. Let's begin. This week I met an old shadow, one I never met before, but one that I learned as a child that being misunderstood was dangerous, and that showing weakness was the quickest path to getting left behind. It started with something simple. I was helping my son do his math homework, and we were going step by step, slowly. I was being patient. I was checking in all along the way. He said he understood. But when it was time for him to try on his own, he froze. He just started pretending and guessing. And all of a sudden, I felt myself spiraling into frustration, like far beyond what the situation called for, to be completely honest. I wasn't just upset, like, I was activated. Inside, I heard that voice. He doesn't understand you because you're stupid. You failed. Just stop. Stop trying to be something you're not. And I reacted from that place. Not as the mother I want to be, but as the child I once was. Were you even paying attention? Are you even trying? Why'd you say you understood even though you didn't? Each sharp question was followed by another. But each sharp question was also followed by a whisper. Stop. I stopped. I love my son so very much. But the way I was acting, he would not ever know it. So I asked him why he thought I was frustrated. And he said something I didn't expect. He said, because you could be doing your work, but you're helping me, and I'm not taking it seriously. That's why you're frustrated, Mom. That moment showed me something important. That moment showed me we weren't battling each other. We're both battling our shadows. His fear of disappointing me met my fear of being misunderstood. My reaction wasn't about him. It was about something older. There was a time in my childhood when my words were misunderstood in a way that changed everything for me. A moment when I realized that being unclear or being slow being scared or being different could make the world shift beneath my feet. A child who experiences that often grows up believing they must never be misunderstood again. And they always have to appear strong. And they have to protect themselves at any cost. And in trying to protect myself, I abandoned myself. And I abandoned the present moment with the people I love most. But from that moment forward, instead of armoring up, I chose vulnerability. I told my son, I wasn't angry at you. I was scared because I realized that I felt like I wasn't doing a good job teaching you. I felt like I was failing you because I was stupid. And I projected that all onto you. I'm sorry. He softened, and so did I. We finished the work together. Not perfectly, but honestly. And I saw something clearly. Self-abandonment isn't just neglecting your needs. It's leaving yourself in moments where you're afraid to be seen. It's rejecting yourself before anyone else can. But when I stayed, when I chose presence over protection, I met my shadow with compassion. And my son saw a part of me I've hidden from everyone. The part that's human, fragile, learning, and deeply loving. Self-abandonment is a shadow born from fear and pain. A shadow that tried in her own way to protect me from that pain again. But I've outgrown those ways. I'm now learning when I meet her with curiosity, grace, and love, she doesn't disappear. She blooms with me. So tonight, I ask her, how have we grown? Thank you for sitting with me in this echo, love. If something in this story stirred your own shadow, be gentle with yourself tonight. You're never walking this alone. When you're ready, come back. We'll listen to the next echo together. Until then, know that you are truly loved.